So hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to complete the first lab of our Google Computing Foundation. So for this, you need to enroll yourself in the course, then click on continue. And in continue, it's loading. Okay, just wait. When you start continue, then you will see this type of portal. Then click on this Google Cloud Computing Fundamental. And from this side, you will find out your first lab, this one. A tour of Google Cloud hands-on lab. So to start this lab, you have to click on there, start lab. And if you click on start lab, then it will take, I guess, 7 credits, or maybe it's free. No, sorry. It will take 5 credits. So it will cost 5 credits. After that, you will be able to perform your lab. So in this lab, we have to create a API. You can go through all of these things which is written here, and you don't need to answer these questions because this is optional. But if you have time, then you can go for it. But for this lab, you have to just complete the whole lab. And see, there is the option 0 by 100. That means I have not done the lab yet. So what is my checkpoint? Enable dialog flow API. So I have to make the API in a GCP platform. So let's see how you can make it. Still, it's showing 0 by 100. When the lab will be fully completed, then it will show 100 by 100. So you can go through this, or else just follow me. Open Google Console. Then in there, you need to copy this username. If you are opening this Google Console, then you need to copy your username and you have to paste it here. You don't need to write down your email or phone. You just need this user ID. So simply copy paste. And then next, for password, see, you have got here this password. So just copy and then paste it here. Then click I understand and all. It's taking a little bit time. So when you are done with your login, then this portal will be open. See, just click I agree and continue. See, there you can see this type of UI, and here you can see this active cloud shell. This is very important, this cloud shell, because on next videos I will use only this terminal option. Just I will give you 2 or 3 lines of code and you will run, and then your lab will be totally completed. So just you should know how you can turn on this terminal. So for terminal, you just click on here cloud shell, and this, see, now your terminal is open. But we don't need the terminal for this lab. For the next labs, we will use this terminal option. For now, we have to click the which API. Let me just check. Okay, Diagonflow API. So simply I will search Diagonflow. Just go here, and this is you can go through this navigation bar, and then API services and then libraries. Click on there. Just close me this one. Okay. If you click on there, then here you can search the API sign-on. Search Diagonflow API. Then here it is, Diagonflow. Click and just enable. It's taking a little bit time. Okay, done. We are done with our first lab, and see, status enable. So then you have to check this one. Check my progress. I have already done. So the lab is done. No, status is enabled means my lab's objective is done. See, 101. But still you can check there. Oh my bad. Sorry. See, my I am done. Assessment completed, and you can end your lab. Then click submit, And how much satisfied, you can give 5 stars, comment down, it was good, blah blah blah. Just because I have already done this lab, so I can't write the submit option, but for you, you can go with submit option. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like this, then please do consider a like, and if you are new here, then go with subscribe and also share with your friends. Thank you. See you in the next video.